afternoon. In this video, we are going to see HCF and LCM by prime factorization. So, what is HCF? So, HCF is the highest common factor. Highest common factor. So, HCF, abbreviated as HCF. So, what is the highest common factor? So, we have to find the common factors. We have to find the factors of the given numbers, and we have to collect the common factors and we have to multiply them. That is, multiplication of all the common prime factors of given numbers taken once is HCF. Now I have taken one example for you. Now 16 and 36, these two numbers are there, and we have to find the HCF of these two numbers. So we will find first the common factors or the factors. Prime factorization we will do of these two numbers. That is 16 is equal to what? 16 is divisible by 2, so 2 into 8. Now 8 is divisible by 2, so this 2 as it is. 8, its factors are 2 into 4. Now this 2 into 2, and now 4 is divisible by 2, so 2 into 2. So these are all the prime factors of 16, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Now 36. 36 is again divisible by 2, so 2 into 18, that is 36. Now this 18 is divisible by 2, so 2 into 9. Now this 9 is divisible by 3, so 3 into 3. It is not divisible by 2, so we find whether it is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible, so 3 into 3, that is 9. Now these are the prime factors of 36, that is 2, 2, 3, 3. Now what we will do, we will underline the common factors of these two numbers. Okay, so this 2 is there, this is 1, 2. So this is one common factor, this is 2, this is 2. Now here there is 2, but here there is no again more 2. There is 3 here, but here it is not. So only two common factors are there, that is 2 and 2. So HCF of these two numbers, given numbers, will be the product of these two common factors, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. So this is the HCF of 16 and 36. Now what is LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple, what we are going to do? We have to do the prime factorization of given numbers. We have to collect the common factors first. So common factors we have to write it once, and the remaining factors, all the remaining factors you have to write it once. And the multiplication of all these factors will be the least common multiple. So least common multiple, LCM is least common multiple. Multiplication of all common prime factors taken once and all the remaining factors gives us LCM. Okay, so LCM of 16 and 36 will be this 2 and this 2. These are the common factors, so you have to write it once, that is 2 and 2. Okay, now all these remaining factors you have to write it once. This 2 and this 2, this 2 and this 2 I had written here, this 3 and 3 I had written here. Now you have to multiply all these numbers. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 8 into 2 is 16, 16 and into 9, 16 9s are 144. And so LCM of these two numbers is 144. Now we are going to take more example on LCM and HCF. Okay, I have taken one example, that is 705 and 225. These two numbers are there, and you have to find the LCM and HCF of these two numbers. Now we will find the prime factors. 705, it is divisible by 5, so 5 into 141. Okay, now 5 is written here as it is. Now 141, it is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So 141 is divisible by 3. So we will find the factors of 141, that is 3 into 47. Now this 47 is not divisible by any of the numbers, so it is a prime number. Okay, so we will stop the prime factorization of 705. Now 225, its prime factors, we will find the prime factors of that. So that is 5 into 45 is 225. Now this 45, its factors are 5 into 9. So we write 5, this 5 as it is, and the factors of 9 are 3 into 3. So these all are the prime factors, so we will stop. Okay. Now we will underline the common factors 5 and 3. This 5 and 3. These are only the common factors. Here there is 47, but here there is 5 and 3. So these two are not matching here, means there is no common factor other than these two, 5 and 3. So HCF of 705 and 225 will be 5 into 3, that is 15 is the HCF. Now for LCM what we will do, we will write all the common factors once. So 5 and 3 we write it as once, and all the remaining factors once. So 47, this 5 and this 3, and we have to take the multiplication of all these numbers. So 5 into 3 is 15, 5 into 3 is 15, 15 square is 225, 225 into 47. So 225 into 47, I have done here the multiplication for you, for your understanding. So 10575 is the LCM of these two numbers. Okay, thank you.